right, guys, it is game day. We are in Modena, Italy, and we're going to be driving a Ferrari 488 today. My camera gear has made it through planes, trains, automobiles, and boats, and today's the day. So I'm super excited, and if you want to see us test rip this car, stay tuned. Guys, oh my god, this is amazing, but it is go time. We're about to take this 488 around this track 5 or 6 times. It's a beautiful day, nice and cool temperatures. I believe it'll be about right to put some stickiness down on the track and see what this baby can do with over 600 horsepower to the wheels. So oh my god, I'm excited. I can't wait. I got to get inside here and see what they do to get us suited up.
488 Challenge, made in Maranello by Ferrari. We have 670 horsepower, 7 gears. Don't use less than third gear in the main straight using full of 5th gear. Very, very strong on the brake pedal. We have ABS, we have traction control, so no worry at all. The change here is from 7th to 8th. Click and down. No problem. We have brake race, race tires, slick tires, so much grip, so you'll have the 100% of the car. Okay. 5 laps in total. More 1 lap, me as the driver, so 6 in total. Corner 1, 2 and 3, third gear, straight from corner 3 to corner 7. 4, 5, 6, too short for a GT car, just for motorbike. In this point there is a crest, we have a Ferrari, so no worry, flat out. Okay. No problem at all. 9 and 10 are the most difficult into all the track, because you have much steer. 11, no problem, just awesome. 3rd, 4th, 5, full gas. What else? This is your and race.
Fantastic.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing. I'm smiling.
I'm sure. You are driving very, very well. Just a little bit to anticipate the braking, because you'll be faster in exiting. If
Yeah.
you go too much inside with the brake on, there is much understeer, but very good job. Left side. Perfect. About the pedal shift, up and down together. Yeah,
Ah,
through.
there we go. Holy shit, guys. That was such an experience. Listen to this baby. I was giving her all 670 horsepower. We caught another car, we lapped them. We almost, if we'd had one more lap, I would have passed the, I think it's a Lamborghini on the straightaway. But wow, what an experience driving a race car for the very first time. I gotta give a shout out to this amazing woman for getting me this birthday gift. It's my birthday in a couple days. And we'll just call it a milestone mid-century birthday. But what an amazing time out here at Autodromo Modena, driving these beautiful Italian stallions. I'll get back with you in a second after I've got some water in my mouth and my heartbeat has calmed down.
In the NASCARs, they're like, no, slow down, keep it slow on this turn, don't go over 100.
I did NASCAR at Dover 25 years ago, and they would only let you go up half the track.
Yes,
So the car
exactly.
couldn't go as fast as
Yes,
because you
exactly.
couldn't apex anything normally like the drivers would out there. This guy here, he was just letting me go. I followed what he showed me. I could tell initially he was a little quick to tell me when to brake because he didn't know how I'm going to do. But then once he saw a few, then he was like, he would just kind of let there and let me drive it. But it was freaking amazing. It's so fun, so fun. This is this amazing woman I'm talking about right here. Love you, baby. Thank you.
Well, there we have it, guys. Fresh back from Modena, Italy, and the 488 challenge at Autodromo di Modena. What an amazing time driving that 488 Ferrari in race spec, 670 horsepower. And if you made it to this point in the video, it must not have just been the clickbait that brought you here. Sorry, not sorry. But I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you made it to this point. Before you leave, please reach down there, like and subscribe, and come back and keep watching Fearless Mods content. This isn't the only fun stuff we do. If you go back and look at some of our playlists, we've got the 240, which was a ripping good time to build and tune. We had the Stinger, which was a fantastic rebuild and a lot of power and fun on the autocross circuit, as well as the Subaru STI, great fun on autocross. We've even put the IS350 Lexus on the autocross circuit. We've had cars on the quarter mile. We even work on the truck, the Trans Am, and the motorcycle. So if you like this kind of stuff, please go back and look at it. Thank you all for being Fearless Mods fans. And as we approach that 5,000 sub mark, I just want to say thank you to all of you for coming back and watching that are subscribed. And if you're not, again, please become a subscriber and help us push us over that mark. Special, huge thanks to my wonderful wife, Sarah, for putting this amazing weekend together for me. And it's one that I won't forget. And I'm glad that we got to memorialize it right here on the channel. That's going to be it for this time, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you again real soon. Take care.